to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I decided to make a cozy baking video today. I have some bananas that are going to ripe. I don't like them when they get that way, so I'm gonna not let those go to waste. And I just haven't baked in a very long time, so, and I enjoy it very much. So I hope that you feel cozy while watching this. If you want to bake along with me, go ahead. But yeah, I've got my hot tea, I've got my candles lit, so let's get to baking. So I've got the recipe right here on my iPad. It's from Pinterest, and usually I would bake it with eggs, but I'm out right now and I don't feel like taking a trip to the store, so I researched a recipe that doesn't use eggs. So yeah, I'm going with that, and these look delicious to me, and they will be perfect for our early mornings on the way to school. We can just grab a muffin and go. So yeah, I love chocolate, I love peanut butter, so I imagine that I'm gonna love these. Here are all the ingredients I'll be using. We've got peanut butter, sugar, flour, oil, apple cider vinegar, cocoa, vanilla, dark chocolate chips, bananas, baking powder, salt, baking soda. First, it says we have to mash up all the bananas. I'm using 3 in this recipe, and it makes 12 muffins. So it says mash it all up before you put it in the mixture. Baking can get very, very messy. So next it says to take 1 cup of the batter and put it in another bowl and mix the cocoa powder in it to make the chocolate part, so that you can get that swirl effect and mix the 2 different color batters. I don't have muffin tin liners, unfortunately, so I'm just going to spray it down so that the muffins don't stick to the pan. dark chocolate chips, my favorite. They're so good. I could just snack on these for like a long time, but I don't need to. Into the oven they go. While the muffins are in the oven, I'm gonna get all this cleaned up because baking is fun, but the aftermath is very messy. Also, some dishes are from dinner, so usually it wouldn't be that much, but yeah, I'm gonna get this all cleaned up, and so when the muffins come out of the oven, it'll be all cozy and clean. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. Wow. Didn't get the kitchen cleaned all the way. I still have some more dishes, but that's okay. The house smells so good. I can't wait for Hunter to get home. He's gonna walk in and he's gonna be like, what is that? I want some. But these muffins look so delicious. I'll save most of them for breakfast, but I think we're gonna have one for dessert tonight. For the final taste test now that my hubby's home.
Ready?
I've been waiting on him, so I don't know how they taste. I hope they're good.
Where we get ready?
Okay, taste test. They're banana, peanut butter, chocolate.
I like them.
You like them?
Yeah, I feel like I can down these.
They're very moist and good. I had to use those bananas, so we're gonna be eating these for breakfast this week.
Is there enough for breakfast this week? Because I might just eat them all night. Honestly.
Well, there's 10 left, so.
Oh, babe. It's cutting it really close. Just saying.
That's all for tonight, friends. I hope you had a fun time watching this cozy bake with me, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. See you next time. Bye.